I feel like I haven't been on YouTube for 3 months, but it's literally only been a week and a half. That just proves to you how long this past week was. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Erin Shanae here, back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to do a Black-owned haul in honor of Black History Month, continuing the series that I'm doing of highlighting Black-owned businesses. So today we're focusing on those Black-owned clothing brands. So if you're interested in seeing this video and seeing the cute things that I picked up that range from t-shirts to loungewear to undergarments and different things like that, be sure to stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that lovely red subscribe button down below so you can join the family. And enough of me talking, let's get right into this clothing haul video. So I have several different pieces. I'm not going to count because I don't remember, I don't feel like counting, but I have over 6 pieces that are Black owned that I think you guys will enjoy. And these are not well-known brands actually, except for at the end, but you'll hear about that at the end. Different pieces ranging from different price points and different things like that. Nothing in here is super expensive because your girl don't like spending money in the first place. So everything in here is definitely affordable. I actually got some of these items on sale, which is my favorite word. I was actually thinking about changing my middle name to Ariane Sale because I just love a good sale. Hey guys, and welcome back to Ariane Sales World. It's your girl, Ariane Sales, back with another video. Doesn't that have like a nice ring to it? Anyway, so the first item that I want to highlight is actually what I'm wearing right now. It's by the brand, oh, hold on. I didn't even know this was textured. That's cool. It's like the letters are like 3D almost. This is a 2-piece set from the brand White Flag. My mom actually got this for me for a late Christmas gift for me and my boyfriend. So we have matching sets. So 3. So when we get back together, we'll take some pictures. So yeah, it's a matching 2-piece set. So yeah, the brand is White Flag. This is actually owned by an influencer. I believe her name is Major Pop. I don't know what her real name is. My mom follows her. Got me this super cute. So the top is this pull over crew neck that's cropped. And then the bottom are these well-fitting, very well-fitting joggers. And they're a little long, so they stack a little bit at the bottom. Very, very cute, as you guys can see in the little clip that I have over here. I do not know the price of this, but I'll definitely have the price on the screen and in the description box, so if you guys are interested. And I know that she has them in a bunch of different colors. I think she has it in like purple, green, like all those different things. I am wearing a size large, and I don't really consider myself to be a size large, so I would personally suggest sizing up. You don't want to be in for any surprises, but yes, definitely cute. It's actually thick, so like I went outside earlier today, I think it's like 40 degrees, and I was kind of cool. Like I'll maybe wear a denim jacket over this, but I wasn't like freezing cold. So definitely a good quality product. All right, now we're gonna move on. So this is really cute, basic black white tee that's from the brand Babes. I actually found them on Instagram. They have really, really cute stuff. And I got basic stuff from this website, but if you want some cute like crop tops, 2-piece sets, they definitely have a lot of that. So I really like this top because it's simple, and then it has black, and then it shows the different shades of black, which I really, really enjoy. Yeah, the top, I got a medium. Normally I get smalls, but I'm trying to think about the future just in case your girl gains a couple pounds, which I hope doesn't happen. But just in case, I got a medium. And also I thought I could, do some cool things with this. Because sometimes if it's small, it's a little short. But, maybe I could do this and wear like no pants. I don't know. But yeah, so I thought this was very, very cute, versatile. I could definitely dress it up, or I can wear it to the gym and be cool with it. So if you're looking for a white tee, go to Babes. Also from Babes, this basic black hoodie. I did get this in a small. And it has like different shades of brown. So it goes from dark brown to white. I like it. It represents shades. It's warm, comfortable. I will say it is picking up lint, but I'm sure pretty much most cotton hoodies do that. But yeah, definitely cute. It fits well. Like I said, this is a small, and it has Babes on the inside. Definitely a quality hoodie. I would definitely buy more of their hoodies. She actually has 2-piece like hoodie and sweat sets. I really want to go back and get one. I'm not really sure when. Maybe I'll wait until the fall when I'll start actually wearing these. But very, very cute. Check out Babes' website. It's Black owned. It's owned by a woman, actually, a Black woman. Very cute stuff. Reasonable prices, and I believe they have sales on and off all the time, and the shipping was so quick. I got the t-shirt literally 3 days after I ordered, and then the hoodie 2 days after that. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, next up, this is actually a product that, well, not a product, but this is a brand I've been wanting to shop from for a really long time, but just never did it. You know what I mean? Like, you know, you put stuff in your cart and then you close your cart and you never get it. That was me. So I got this shirt from God is Dope, which is a Black owned brand in Atlanta. And it says, unless God sent you, I'm unavailable. And I know I'm already in a relationship. So I was like, Ariane, why'd you buy that? But I still thought it was cute. I actually got an extra one for one of my friends. So this is actually her shirt. But yeah, I thought this was cute. I think it's a really great message. Unless God sent you, I'm unavailable. And that's on period. That's for me and my friends. Even though I'm unavailable already, but anyway, super cute. This is a size small, so I will say they are bigger than normal, but I think this is because it's a unisex t-shirt, so that kind of makes more sense. But this is definitely not a women's small, but cute. I think they had them in different colors, and they always have different color schemes literally like every week. Like I think they just dropped like this God is Dope / Mamba collection, so it's like black, purple, and then the gold. Really nice colors. So if you want some God is Dope gear, definitely check them out. And they always have sales. Like the other day they had like t-shirts on sale for $2.99. Where they do that at? Exactly. So check out God is Dope. Nice products, t-shirts, hoodies, caps. I don't know about bottoms, but I like a good t-shirt. I love a good hoodie. And especially since like I'm working from home, I do like to wear a lot more t-shirts and hoodies because I don't have a lot of meetings for my job, therefore I don't always have to wear a blouse. Next up, we have this bag. Just kidding. So I got this bra from a brand called Nude Barre, and I think this is a brand that kind of like started this like new, not trend, it's not a trend, but a revolution of actually making like skin, what's it called? Shapewear and like tights in all shades, because if you're a darker skinned woman, you probably don't want to wear tights that are my complexion. You know what I mean? And that was a really big issue for like ballerinas. They would have to wear tights that were too light for them, but the tights are supposed to look skin-like, so it just wasn't. Long story short, I think this is the brand that started that. I could be wrong, but they definitely do have all different types of underwear. I don't know if they have lingerie. I'm not too sure, but underwear, tights, maybe some shapewear. So I got a bra. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys the bra because that'd be kind of weird. That's not what we do here on this channel. Not yet, but it was moderately priced. I think I paid maybe $20, and I think I had a $5 off coupon. Bra was comfortable. I will say I did order the wrong shade. I struggled to like find my shade. I don't know what color I am. I think that's the problem at the end of the day. I think I'm like darker than I really am, and sometimes I'm lighter. That's why I really struggled picking out foundations, because I never know what color I am. Anyway, so Nude Barre is where it's at if you want some comfortable bras. And they also just came out with boy shorts. I was gonna get some boy shorts. I've been spending too much money lately, but when I get back on my game and it's in my budget, I'm definitely gonna pick up some more stuff. It's comfortable, and when you wear the bra, it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. Right now I'm wearing a bra and it feels like I'm wearing something. So definitely check out Nude Barre and follow them on social media. It's just the shades are very just aesthetically pleasing, and I know that's what y'all are into. All right, now we're gonna move into the athletic wear. So I got 2 athletic wear sets from this brand called Built Exclusive. So this is Coco, pretty sure. If it's not, I'll correct it on the screen. But this is a cute 2-piece set, and it zips up, and y'all, with the leggings, the leggings fit really, really well. I love how they have like, I think it's called a control top. That's what I call it, but like a big band on the top. That always makes me feel extra snatched. And who doesn't want to feel extra snatched? Very, very cute, comfortable. When I do work out, I haven't been doing too well, and I know that's one of my resolutions, but I just have not been doing too well with that. I would definitely wear this, but I would also wear this just out and about, like if I'm going to the store or if I'm hanging out with friends. This is very, very cute, and I would happily have this in my closet. I also like the little detail at the end. I don't know, it gives me like varsity vibes. Hey, and also from Built oh, I also want to mention Built Exclusive. They have sales literally every week. Every single week. I have a $40 store credit that I want to use, but I'm like kind of waiting until they drop some more items, so you know I can kind of like not ball out, but get something new. So this next one is a little different. It's the bra and leggings, and at first I was a little hesitant because I'm not the type of person that would, you know, go to the gym and really wear a bra and leggings. I don't know, maybe that's just because I don't have abs, and I don't know, maybe I'm just shy. I don't know what it is, but this color, this coral color, is so cute. And y'all, the leggings, they have that little, you know, that little like ruching in the back that's supposed to make your butt pop a little bit. And I mean, if I do say so myself, I think it popped a little bit. Anyway, the color is gorgeous. The bra top is definitely very comfortable. I got both of these in a large because your girl's large, even though she don't necessarily want to be. I'm a large. And yeah, just love the color. Great quality for these products. And of course it has the BE, which is their little logo with a weight or whatever you call it. Just very, very cute. I would support this Black brand. Like, she's really doing her thing. And I mean, who doesn't love a good sale? I love a good sale. Check them out. All right, and next up I have this hoodie, and I don't even know if she's selling this hoodie right now. I feel like I should have checked on that before the video. Well, the Splash Squad hoodie. So this is actually like merch, low-key. So if you guys don't know about the Splash Squad channel, go check it out. It's run by this amazing girl, Caitlin. Caitlin is my girl. We both went to the same college. We had classes together. Caitlin is so freaking funny, and she's so talented. So for real, if you have not checked out the Splash Squad YouTube channel, go search it. She has an Instagram page as well. But these hoodies, it's probably the most dope hoodie I've ever seen in my life. It's so fly. So it spells out Splash Squad, but it features different letters from different NBA teams. I thought that was so cool. And you know, I also had to represent because it has the Detroit Pistons. You know, we're going to the NBA playoffs soon. Anyway, so yeah, this is super cute. I love it. I think it's very cute. It's casual, but you can also, like, you know, make it a little streetwear-y when you put on like some Jordans, some cute jeans, whatever. Do your thing. I really, really like this hoodie. I got it in, I don't know, 2020. Really like it. I literally wear it all the time. People ask me where I got it. I say Splash Squad. So Splash Squad, again, Black-owned business, Black-owned YouTuber business, Black-owned woman business. Go support this brand. I'm not sure if she's selling it right now, so you may have to do pre-orders, or maybe she's launching again. But again, really dope hoodie, really dope channel. Caitlin is so dope. So check them out. And I got a size medium. Fits me super well. I could have gotten a small, but again, I'm trying to think about things for like longevity. So got a medium. I'm cozy, and I can wear sweaters underneath it. Okay, so now we're moving on to like the last section of this video, and I was hesitant about featuring these things because they're Black. They're not Black owned. They're more so Black designed. So I'm not gonna have any clips of me trying them on, but I did want to feature them because I'm sure a lot of the proceeds will go to Black designers. So if you guys don't know, Forever 21 has done a partnership just like every other company for Black History Month. And I was in the store and I ordered some stuff online, and they had some really, really cute stuff. And I was like, I mean, even though Forever 21 is not a Black owned business, they're still working with Black creators. And I'm sure that these creators are getting a nice check for everything that they sold. So I still wanted to support. So the first thing that I have, and actually I did a TikTok video with like 2 of these items, so be sure to follow my TikTok. But this first one is this super cute bandana top, and it says, I don't even know how to pronounce the park. I know I'm one of those people that buys things that has no clue about what it says, but that's me. But this is a park in LA, and you know, it has like cool like graffiti art, and it actually explains who the person is. L Park Threads was born in 2017, a unisex clothing brand motivated by the struggle to bring awareness to Black, brown, and colored life. It was definitely under $16 because I personally wouldn't pay over $16 for a cute crop top like this, but love it. Can't wait to wear this. Don't know when or where I'm gonna wear, but definitely very, very cute. Okay, and next up is, this is my favorite out of the 3, I think. This Black Lives Matter tee. And this was actually a Forever 21 partnership with Stormy Nesbit. I wanted to buy a piece from Stormy like in June, but she was sold out of the pieces that I want. Like, she does painting prints. She has some really, really good prints. So I thought it was just super cool that Forever 21 stormed up with her. I love this tee. It's a Black woman's hand, and it says Black Lives Matter with the bracelet. Super, super cute. I think Stormy probably has the biggest collection. I've been seeing a lot of her stuff, but it's this black crop top. It fits me so well. Literally love this. Okay, and last but certainly not least, this is another Stormy piece, and on the front it's just a basic white tee, and it has this cute picture of 4 girls. It kind of reminded me of Girlfriends, and the back says Queen Recognize Queen. I wish it said Queens Recognize Queens because I feel like that makes a little more sense, but I like it. I think it's basic. I think it's a nice basic top I could low-key wear for virtual work, and yeah, super cute, and it was a decent price as well. So again, I know those aren't technically Black owned, but it's a Black partnership, and I don't know if they're gonna have them in there longer than Black History Month. I personally think they should. I think companies, you know, it's cool that they're doing these collaborations for Black History Month, but let's work on creating long-lasting partnerships to help grow generational wealth in Black communities and Black homes. But yeah, guys, those are the pieces that I have for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Again, I'll have everything linked below in the description box, and let me know in the comment section which one of these pieces you liked the most. Have you heard of these brands before? Let me know. And again, please support all these different brands. I mean, obviously you don't have to buy from every brand, but pick one, support them, you know, share them on Instagram, and let's get this wealth game up for our people, y'all. I'm not even gonna go into my rant about the wage gap and the race gap and just the gaps that are in the United States, not only for Black people, but just for minorities in general. That's a whole different conversation. But yeah, y'all, that's all I have for you in this video. If you're not already following me on my Instagram or my Twitter or my TikTok, go ahead, click down below in the description box. Go follow me, go support me. I'm actually doing a giveaway right now. If you haven't seen my Black owned makeup brand video, makeup, hair care, skincare, I'm giving away products that are over $200, and I'm going to send it to you for free. It's going to be some hair care products and some lip glosses. I think you guys will definitely enjoy that, so go watch my other video for the details on how you can enter the giveaway. But y'all, that's all I have for y'all. I will see you guys next time. And again, if y'all have video suggestions, because I feel like I'm running a little dry, comment down below, let me know. All right, guys, bye.